guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today is going to be a Valentine's Day makeup tutorial. I'm super excited to show you guys this because I love filming tutorials for Valentine's Day. I think it is my favorite thing to do, and I don't know, I always come up with really fun looks, and I have so many eyeshadows that I always wait to use for this occasion. I'm so excited. It's kind of like a combination of the ones that I did last year, and I used a ton of Too Faced Sweet Peach. So if you're not a Too Faced fan, you're probably not gonna vibe with this video, but like, not sponsored, just saying. Yeah, so I'm like super excited. I don't really have much to say. This is just a really simple, easy makeup tutorial, and it did not take me long at all. And it turned out really, really nice. I really like it. So anyways, let's just go ahead and get on into the video. So to start off the makeup, I'm going to be using my Fenty Beauty Foundation, which I forgot to show in the clip, so I apologize. But I'm just applying that with a beauty blender all over my face. And yeah, it's pretty self-explanatory. Moving on to my concealer, I'm using my NARS matte, I think soft matte concealer, not the creamy one. It's in a little pot, and I actually really like this concealer. I just bought it and I love it so much more than the other NARS one. It works so well, and I like it a lot more than the Urban Decay one that I was using, so I really suggest it. It covers so well. Moving on to my brows, I'm using my Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade, and I think I don't know what shade I'm in. It's like some, I don't know. I'm sorry, I should have looked that up, but I'm too lazy to stop recording this right now and do that. So yeah, I'm just filling in my brows, which I actually showed you. Usually I do them off camera, but I was in the mood. So here you go, me doing my brows. And I actually found that concealing does do something. I was convinced that it didn't do anything at all, but like it does. It literally looks so good. So I just do that with my little concealer brush and end up blending it out with my fingers because I don't want to use a beauty blender or anything. To set my face, I just use my Laura Mercier translucent setting powder with a little fluffy brush. And then moving on to my eyeshadow, I'm using the Sweet Peach palette, and I'm taking this nice little pink shade, and it's kind of orangey, so I'm making sure to keep that in my crease, but also on the outer part of my lid. Taking my Modern Renaissance palette, I'm using the two very pinkish purple shades and keeping that mainly in my crease, like making sure that I can still see some of the other color above my crease. And now I'm going in with what I believe is Peach Bellini from the Sweet Peach palette and putting that on my lid. It's a shimmery pink color. It's really nice. And I'm darkening the crease once again, but making sure you can still see the orange because we really want to keep that in there. And so I'm just darkening it and putting it on my lower lash line. And that's about it. Just keep messing around with it until you find the right shade. I'm using my Dior Show mascara, and then I'm applying my Ardell Double Up Wispies, which were out of frame when I was putting them on, so I couldn't leave the clip in. My apologies, but I did apply them with some Duo Lash Glue and finished off with some lower lash line mascara. For bronzing, I'm using my Becca X Chrissy Teigen palette and just a little brush for that. And I decided to not do highlight because I wanted to use a Too Faced blush, which is called Peach Beach, which is really funny because like all of my other stuff is peach. So anyways, I'm just blending that on my apples of my cheeks and my cheekbones a little bit, and using my Fenty highlighter just to highlight my nose and my Cupid's bow. And I'm taking Papa Don't Peach peach gloss. That's the name of it. Okay, that was so bad. It was a Sweet Peach gloss, but the shade is Papa Don't Peach. Okay, and that's literally it. Wow, that was like so fast. Anyways, hope you enjoyed. So that was it for the video. I really hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you found it helpful. I will see you guys in my next video. Have a really good Valentine's Day, whatever you're doing, and yeah, bye. Mwah.